Kani kediga bati CTV, mat pidang pek yaki kubur baman kasni, belawan rasha pida ka Orange Nissan Loom Sopo near Fire Brigade Shillong, ringkat bat ka eco-friendly enterprise, ki plakot nagbenta ki jingdon kam hakasong, bat kara karong.
Ka Meghalaya Licensed Sawmill Association hapo ka jinyalam jong Vice President u Harak Chan Jain baru Secretary u Vikas Jain haga arfun riv tarik bunai jemang arjar arpo kala no senyang daki tendong senreit dawai ki hand sanitizer bat ki mask Syah Katnat Forest jong ka sorkar jela kumsi bentaban tenrong lem ya ka jing trei sitom jong ki nong trei gani katnat ki bami syakmat ban yakun tama persya yaw kenyang jingpang coronavirus. Yakini kila jingirap nakaliang kaseng kala IT hau Principal Chief Conservator of Forest uba YS Shulai haka jingilang kabalalong ha Sylvan House Lower Lashmere.
Ini ay kuble ini ki Sawmillers Association Bakilawan Syakmat manwan harap ini hakini kapor bagidon kam ini ki sanitization equipment baki masks baki disinfectant fluid baki ini ki pumps kila nak seniang syaka Forest Department. Nomor bau Presiden Jongki hakatu yong bahak somil barakat ya pendagam. Ki staff bapli ilayoi dak man lejong ba ke den ki don di mas nrei kim da biang kumbade ben biang bapli nomor baki don secengai cha. Itu te ini gilawan hakatu kesngi gilawan discuss bengi gi ong basar ni la long ready ben aisen ben nak seniang ben donate ini ki tiar sephe. Te ngim ta sngi la ya yang sungwa kini ki kam baba jong kini ki Sawmillers Association. Yakini ki mas, yakini ki tiar kitar min pendan kam haki office ki bakam jengai, ki bid office ki bam jukam poi ki tiar banong no. Te dagene ka endeavor jong kini gini ka good gesture jong kini ki brio ni menta ngila khambun ki tiar. Ngila khambun ki tiar nomor baka Sawmillers Meghalaya Licensed Sawmillers Association. They have come forward and they have helped us to increase what little bit we have already in the field, and we are very, very grateful to them.
The Meghalaya Licensed Sawmill Association decided to hand over some sanitization products to the Forest Department, which include tanks for spraying this sodium hypochlorite to disinfect the areas, some masks for the staff as well as the officers, and some sanitization bottles, including the sodium hypochlorite solution. We've been always looking to help, in fact, donate and make people aware regarding the sanitation ever since the COVID has broken out. So this was our main motivation. We have all these products in our sawmill also. Twice a day we have been using so it motivated us to donated to the department also.